AGBA stock analysis and price predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play. With AGBA Group Holding Limited stock, like I'm honestly still looking for buys, and the way that I'm going to approach this is simple. But to give you even more context, I myself am using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of it because it's the truth, and I've documented everything literally. So AGBA, I want to take it even higher. I want to see the price, the highs get taken out here at 428. The way that I would approach it, like, was one, the price came into my demand zone. This would have been perfect. Prime example of what I would take. What does the word say? Here it says waiting for my rules to be met. Still waiting for that. But honestly, more likely than not, at this point, it's just going to be the price, doing its thing. Maybe not even delivering higher, but there's no point for me to force any moves right now. One way is if the price goes lower here and then I have the same exact thing. So obviously, I'm going to keep you updated, but yeah, I'm just waiting for my rules to be met. If you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.